Before the stars found their places, the skies belonged to Aethra, the goddess of dawn.
But jealousy rose in Varyan, the king of shadows. He stole her final tear and buried the dawn in darkness.
Yet prophecy spoke of Kaelion, the child born with sunrise in his eyes. When light met shadow, the world trembled.
And Aethra smiled once more upon the earth. "As long as mortals seek the dawn," she whispered, "darkness shall never reign."
When the Shadow King fell, his heart refused to die. Darkness always finds a way to breathe again.
From his final breath was born the Blood Moon Vyrr, the cursed child.
Even Aethra trembled, for the curse of Varyan's heart could swallow her dawn once more.
Kaelion called upon the guardian twins, the keepers of moon and flame, to end the curse before night devoured all.
And thus began the War of the Blood Moon, where dawn and dusk would battle for the soul of the